Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a quick try on of a couple of things that I got in the mail from Loft and a pair of shoes from Macy's. And I want to show you these really quickly before I go to Loft tonight to make my returns. Because if I don't like these, how they fit on me, these are going back as well. So I figured let me show them to you now. I have a few minutes. These items, Loft items, I saw on Laura from Little Box of Happy, and when I saw them, I said, oh, I want them. So the first up is a pair of white and blue shorts. These shorts, let me see what I can find the material out of these. They feel like cotton. 55% linen, 45% viscose, and they're soft. They're soft, they're not like a scratchy cotton. They're very soft with an elastic waistband. Functional drawstring? Yes, functional drawstring, so you can make it tighter with the drawstring. And they do look generously sized, and I got my usual extra small. And of course, then I got the matching top, which is a one shoulder top. And I also received these shoes from Macy's that I ordered. Believe it or not, I do not have a pair of neutral sandals. These were on sale at Macy's for $78. I had a $10 Macy's reward, so there you go. I got them for $68. I'll try these on. The shorts were, I got them on the 50% off sale, $24.97, and the top was $29.97. Give me a minute and I'll do a quick try on. Okay, here is the outfit, including the shoes, and I am pretty happy with this, so this will not be one of my Loft returns. In case you're wondering, I'm going to be returning the green eyelet skirt, the green matching top, and I am going to be returning the striped sweater. I like it. I just don't love it and feel it's worth adding to my closet. I'd rather save my money for items that really spark joy. I think this outfit is adorable and very unique to me. And a pair of strappy nude sandals were on my list. So I'm happy I fulfilled these items. All right, take care and give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and see you next time.